to become a UGC creator in Nigeria and receive PR packages, receive brand deals, and even potential paid collaboration without even having followers. What is UGC? UGC stands for user generated content. That means a brand wants you to experience a product or a service and give your review, like just make a video or a review about that product or service that you have tested. In some cases, you can post it on your own channel, on your own social media. In other cases, they may decide to post it on their own page, run ads, or stuff like that. All they want is like an authentic feel, authentic review from a normal everyday customer and for that person to post about it. So, as a Nigerian, I feel like the most common UGC niche is skincare, but there are other niches that you can go into UGC. You can go into makeup, fashion, experiences, wellness, hotels, Airbnbs, travel. But the easiest to tap into the market right now is if you decide to become a skincare UGC creator. And considering the fact that a lot of skincare brands, a lot of Korean brands, they really want creators like this. So if you join, you are bound to like start getting recognition. So the first thing you need to do now is to make a social media profile on any social media platform that you want, right? You can be on TikTok, Instagram, even YouTube. Just create a profile, and the next thing you want to do is to look at things around your house and start making videos about them as if you were paid, as if the brand asked you to do so. For example, I have this Vaseline. You can use it to remove your makeup. You can use it to lay your edges, your brows, and you can use it as a lip balm. So I'll just talk a bit about Vaseline right now. I'm like, you should have Vaseline in your house and you should add it into your routine. Those are just a few things that Vaseline can do. As a nobody talking about Vaseline, but as a beginner right now, right? You just use things around your house, the skincare that you have, the hair care that you have, everything that you can find around your house. Just make videos about them. At least that's how I started. I used the skincare I had and hair care. I focused more on skincare and hair care, made sample videos for them. And one thing you want to do is to be tagging those brands. Try the caption, okay, this is just a UGC example video. I'll tag Vaseline down in the comments, in the caption, and all of that. If you're lucky enough, the brand sees it, they reach out to you, propose a collaboration. Or if they don't, you can add that to your portfolio as work examples that you have done before. You keep on doing that. If you have a few examples on your page, then you can go ahead and start pitching to brands. You can decide to create a portfolio or not. I don't have a portfolio. My social media is my portfolio. You just pin if you like your best works to your account, and then you go ahead and pitch to brands. Any brand you see, you'd be like, hey, I'm a skincare creator on TikTok. I saw your brand. I'm interested in your brand. Can we like have a collaboration? You send me products, I make videos, post them on my channel. If you want, you can post them on your page too, and all of that. So brands that would want to work with you will reply you. It can either be a gifted collaboration or a paid collaboration, depending on the brand, depending on how lucky you are. So you do all of this over and over again and rinse and repeat. And the moment you get a collaboration from one brand that have recognized you, like you have to maximize it. Like you keep on posting and posting and posting about that brand, tagging that brand. You can either turn your gifted collaboration from that brand to a paid collab. The thing is that all these brands know each other. For example, if you are using a skincare brand and you've been posting about a brand and tagging it, they know each other, their marketing team speak to each other. Another brand can see that I'm like, okay, I like what this creator is doing with this brand. I would like her to do it for my brand too, and they can reach out to you that okay, here's our product, create content for us. After a few months of doing gifted collaborations, it's time for you to start declining gifted collaborations and focus on getting paid, because at this point you have gained the experience, you know how it feels to work with a brand. So when next you are reaching out to the brand, or when next a brand is reaching out to you, speak to them on the basis of paid collaboration. And any brand that is not willing to pay you, that's the door. They should go home. We don't want people that are not going to reward us for our creativity. So after like I think 2 or 3 months of creating content on gifted basis, it's time to start getting paid. You need to set your rates, create a rate card, and start pitching to brands with the intention of getting paid. So basically, that is how UGC works. That is how I have personally experienced UGC as a skincare, I think for now, a skincare UGC creator. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. And if you want more videos like this, let me know and I'll be sure to do videos like that. And I will see you in my next video.